Hey y'all, how's it going? It's Sunday. We're getting ready to head back in and do evening church. But just came out to shut everything down. We run some heat a little bit. We painted the bed for the lathe today. Did the back painting of the black stuff in here in both of those pieces yesterday, so we could go ahead and paint the outside of them today. This is the little cutting platform deal. A couple parts of that got painted today as well. Some more parts of the this is the end stock. This is the top of that cutting platform deal. These all got done yesterday, so they're dry. All this stuff goes. This is inside the spindle cover. We painted front and back of that. That's done. It's a little handle to stop the feed and all that. This is the base of that cutting platform deal right there. That got done today too. So when it was dry, we peeled. Even though this got done today, we peeled it off just so I could show you the contrast of the back painting to the top side. It was all blue, and now the whole inside of it is black, and then the outside's orange. It's the Rust-Oleum. It's enamel. It's good, tough stuff. We've used it on the vise. That's been 4 years. Man, I've burned things with propane. I mean, you've seen the things I've done to that vise. That paint job held up pretty well. So I'm completely confident in what we got going on here. Keeping it short, we'll get the go-kart over as soon as tomorrow. We'll be able to move this stuff. It'll be dry. We'll be able to park all this stuff. We'll get over here and we got to work on this low profile in this whole setup here. Remember, so we can get the front brake hub and all that to clear. We got all the washers we needed for here and for the spindle kingpins to set all this up. So we'll go ahead and work on this. I got something going there. I got a crazy idea. I'll share it with you when we're doing it. But we'll get back on that tomorrow. We'll get back out here and get this stuff moved out of the way. Cut this orange sticky cardboard off of there, and get us a nice clean sheet to start with. We'll get the place cleaned up and get working. But at this point, I think when we get back to doing this here, when we get the 1/4-inch plate, we'll probably buy it a little extra wide. We'll cut like a half round out of the front side of it, leaving a little bit of room for tools and stuff. Bob, thanks, buddy, for the tip. And I think we're going to mount, instead of having the controllers up here, I think we're going to mount them here, the spindle controller box here, and then the crossfeed here, like on an angle, so they're user-friendly. And get rid of the pipes and tubes and all that. And I mean, we got to rework all this ridiculous. Somebody did. Hey, you got to give them credit. They tried. They did what they could. But this thing obviously has a lot of torque to it. They had to get some turnbuckle action on there to hold it in place. And really, to be honest, none of that stuff was right. We're gonna make proper mounts for this thing, and it'll all be good and solid. Not sure yet, but we're thinking we may end up putting everything on this end. We may not run the crossfeed off that gear that was on this end. We may move it down here and keep it all underneath that cover. Don't know yet. Not sure yet. Can't hold me to that. But that's it. That's the video for today. Like I said, gonna head back in and get the toes warmed up. Get us some hot chocolate or a coffee, and get ready for evening church. I hope y'all are doing the same. I'm praying for you out there. Godspeed. God bless y'all. Hang in there.